I wanted to ensure I was providing only fact-based information, which is why I took extra time to produce this video. Given the volume of rumors and conflicting news, I wanted to avoid sharing anything that was partially or completely inaccurate. So, the global power map was just redrawn. This week, India and US finalized a landmark trade framework that positions India as the key strategic power of 21st century. We are moving into a $500 billion partnership that resets the rules of global trade. But what does this new era actually mean for us? Is this a total win or is India making massive gamble? Today we break down the strategy, the oil shift and the Mission 500 target. Let's get into it. Namaste, welcome to Gyan in English. My name is Brijesh. First, let's look at the numbers. On 2nd of February, a major breakthrough was reached. For months, there was tension over tariffs, but India negotiated from a position of strength. The result, the US has officially agreed to set a reciprocal tariff for Indian goods at 18%. Why is this big deal? Because while other nations are facing much higher barriers, India has secured a rate that is lower than China, Vietnam, and even Bangladesh. This immediately makes Make in India products from textile to engineering the most competitive choice in the world's largest market. This is not just a deal, it's a competitive edge for Indian exporters. Now let's talk about the big shift. Energy. For past year, India demonstrated its independence by sourcing oil based on its own national interest. But as part of this new chapter, India is strategically diversifying. Under this agreement, India is moving to swap Russian oil imports for a massive increase in US energy and potentially Venezuelan crude. This is a massive geopolitical move. By leveraging our huge buying power, India is helping to stabilize global market while securing long-term energy from new partners. It's not about being told what to do. It's about India choosing a path that secure our growth for the next decade. Then there is a headline, the 0% tariff. The framework outlines a path to eventually eliminate trade barriers on industrial goods. Imagine world-class technology, defense equipment, and advanced machinery entering India with zero import tax. It is an opportunity for the India. For us, this means access to high-end tech at much lower prices. The strategy. This move is designed to supercharge our manufacturing sector. By lowering costs for raw materials, India is clearing the runway for our own Atmanirbhar industries to go global. India is still keeping its red lines on sensitive areas like dairy and agriculture to protect our farmers, showing that this is a partnership of equals. In my personal opinion, how this could help 0% tariff to our small businesses. There is a high possibility that we can restructure the imported technology, we can re-engineer them, and then we can make our own technology. How China was grown over the years. This is how they grown over the years. They imported US technologies, they re-engineered, restructured, and then they made their own brand. We can also do the same. There is a high possibility if we take this as an opportunity. Next, now about that $500 billion figure you are seeing in the news. Let's be real. Our total trade right now is around $140 billion. So how do we get to 500? This is Mission 500, a joint goal to reach $500 billion in total trade by 2030. It's a long-term vision. It includes massive contract for US energy, hundreds of new planes for our airlines, and advanced defense tech. The industry seeing the most impact, textile, pharma, and IT are set for an explosion, while aviation and energy will see unprecedented investment. This is about building a massive economic bridge between the world's two largest democracies. This deal proves that India is no longer just a market, we are global leader. We have turned a period of global friction into a multi-billion dollar opportunity. But I want to hear from you, is this $500 billion partnership the right move to make India the world's next economic superpower? Or should we have stayed the course with our old energy partners? Drop your thoughts in the comment below. I want to see the debate. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.